binabantayan ko, pag upo ho mismo ni Digong at yung kanya mga sinasabing, yung mga kurakot at mga putok sa buhong mga police general na binigyan ho ni President Digong ng taning, huwag nyo siyang antayin bagkus umalis na kayo sa inyong kinaroroonan. Eto naman ang palasyo ni Coloma nagsalita na parang all of a sudden para sila yung sinasabing nagre-remind sa lahat ng kung sino pang sektor, itong kulay dilaw ni Pinoy, with due respect, I know Coloma and I respect this guy, but I don't think that it's in his business to say things and remind Digong because whoever is going to be the person or sino man yung sektor na yan ay hukuman. Due process. At ang mahirap dito, kung kayo mga outgoing, kayo pa nagsasabi, mga kakyaw-kaw, isa pa rin kayo dyan eh. You know, sa akin ho kasi, I would love Digong to do what's expected of him because he said, wag nyo na akong antayin. I would love to see that. And then balita yan. At once nakita ninyo hindi maganda, then pwede na kayo magkyaw-kyaw. Sige nga. Ngayon wala pa eh. Let me remind you guys, ang gobyerno ho natin is not in the business of explaining what they're gonna do. They're in the business of executing, delivering the change na ipinangako ho nila eh. That's the job number one. So Digong's job number one is, let's wait for him to walk his talk and walk the walk. It is not for him to explain. It's not for him to expound. It's for him to deliver and execute yung mga bagay na dapat gustong makita ho. Kung ano ho yung pagbabagong kinakailangan, yun ho maging malinaw. Trabaho ho ng media magpaliwanag.